Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another crypto video. Ladies and gentlemen, of course I was bound to make another video on TitanX. Thank you very much for everyone who watched my first video. And today I just wanted to make another update. I actually have started another miner that is kind of a 30-day miner. So this year, I'm going to have a very great New Year's, and we're going to be talking about what has changed since the last time I've made a video, which, by the way, was only a few days ago. And number one, we are back with $1 million plus in liquidity. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a great achievement. We have actually almost, and I'd say honestly, yeah, we have broken the previous high. So right now we're making lower lows, higher highs and higher lows. So basically making that small shifting upwards shift back to, you know, previous high numbers. And that's the thing that I wanted to stress about to you guys today. What is the deal with miners? You know, what's the catch really? I wanted to kind of talk about this page, this side of the white paper, and what makes it super interesting, right? As the days go by, you know, as more miners are being created, the next miner, or actually it's a kind of a daily update, right? It will cost more Ethereum to start a new miner. So that's one thing, right? So it will cost more Ethereum, and plus if Ethereum goes up in price itself, it's going to cost even more. So now you have a race, right? Okay, if Ethereum goes back to, you know, $2,000, $3,000, this now will be more expensive, right? I remember when I did the video, or when I joined, this was $420. Now it's at $446, right? So going back to the data update with the white paper, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. This is quite important, okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys the strategy that I'm going, right? This is still talking about miners. I still have a video to make to talk about the staking and how that's super interesting. I just don't have free funds to enter the staking. This is why I have some long-term, some short-term miners. And actually not really. My most long-term one is 100 days. I really want to start creating more of that 280 days, 250, 230, 200 days, etc., right? So I'm kind of want to start from the max or the end bit, and then also create miners from the short term, and then keep doing that where, okay, now I can meet the middle. Now I've covered, you know, the next 280 days where I'm getting paid monthly or bi-monthly. That is basically my plan, and that would be absolutely amazing. And I'm going to tell you guys why this is bullish, okay? This number right here, which is basically my total value kind of that I'm going to return from all of these right now with the current market cap, is at $26,000, which is absolutely crazy. This was probably you know, before I added new miner, this was probably around 20k, you know. It was probably around 16k actually, probably at the start. So this is absolutely amazing. This is why it's really important to time things. You know what's crazy, ladies and gentlemen, right? A random fact is that Hex, the best time to invest in Hex was in day 28, 29, 30, 31. So I just want to let you guys know, yes, if you weren't in the first day of TitanX, what was the next best day? The next best day was on day 11th, right? When you were like somewhere around here, 11th of November, when it was the extreme lowest. So it's crazy how opportunities, they show up at times where you wouldn't really think it would show up, right? This is when it was extreme FUD, probably, right? I mean, ladies and gentlemen, it's crazy. This is probably when I was not really responding. I had someone DMing me about I had a few people actually DMing me about TitanX to make a video about it, talk about it. I just didn't have time, and it's crazy that I passed it by. But I'm really not complaining, because I probably entered around, you know, like right here. I'm really happy, you know, around 4 million, 5 million market cap, and look at where we are right now. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about is the TitanX mineable per day. So not only that the price of the TitanX literally goes up by 0.08% every single day, the actual amount of mineable TitanX you'll get goes down by 0.35% every day based on the day before. This mimics the 4-year Bitcoin halving, but does it every year instead of 4 years. And the T rank bonus goes down by minus 0.35% every day based on the day before. Share rate bonus the share rate goes up plus 0.03% every day based on the day before. This means that it will always become harder and more expensive to get Titan for every day that passes. The general rule for staking and mining is today is always better than tomorrow. So Yeah, which is that's actually exactly it, right? Here are the start and end values of Titan. The daily updates keeps increasing and decreasing things until the minimum/maximum caps are hit. This will happen over a period of years. Ethereum cost per max miner, minimum miner, min and max. Okay, Ethereum cost per max miner start is at 0.2 and it will cap at 1 Ethereum, which is absolutely crazy, right? This will basically at some point would reach $3,000 of Ethereum. You know what I mean? $2.5K worth of Ethereum is crazy. Supply mineable per day. So this is how much I'm assuming you make from a maximum miner. Oh no, just a normal miner, the minimum maximum. So supply mineable per day at 8 million. And then supply mineable per day at the end cap is at 800. So you can see how it's crazy, drops like crazy, guys. At some point TitanX will become deflationary. It's crazy for me to say that coming from like this type of project, but this is a true DeFi project, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I'm so happy to be making videos about this. This is why, you know, it doesn't have none of those. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, guys, yes, referrals are great and stuff, but I'm not gonna lie, when a project doesn't have Pulsechain, this is what will make it flourish. This is what the bull run needs. Guys, I even made a tweet about this. Look, go follow my Twitter. I just hit 200 plus followers, so I'm really happy. My next projection, guys, let's go for 500 followers on Twitter, so go follow me on there. Yeah, I made this tweet. TitanX is one of the most innovative DeFi projects I've seen so far. This is what we need for a big blast bull run. The proof of weight mechanisms work and full of game theories, different player styles and strategies, and today I'm just showing you guys one of them, which is me right now. On top of that, you got Hyper is that one I need to check out, and then I said I need to interview the guy himself, right? I was replying to this guy Jake, which is absolutely crazy because he followed me. So shout out to Jake. Interview probably very, very soon. And yeah, you know what I mean, guys, listen. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna throw out my price prediction. With this type of project, with the bull run coming, we're looking at an easy market cap of $1 billion plus. Okay, I just said it. I said it. Yeah, I did say it. Not financial advice. Obviously, I can have my own opinions about things. This is my investment. At the end of the day, this is my channel. This is my crypto journey. I'm just documenting it for you guys to understand and learn from it, right? I'm not here giving you financial advice, but with 9.5 million to that 1 billion market cap, if we bring up a trusty calculator, we do that number 1 billion and we divide it by 9.5 million, that is 100x plus, right? Let's simplify it and keep it at 100x. Looking at this right now, all right, let's just say you see the value right here. Okay, let's just say right now I make a miner right now that's max power, and that is maximum length as well, 280 days right now where we are starting. It will cost me $446 and it will make me 20k, which is a 44x, right? Take that number, 20,399, and times that by the 105x, and that's how much it would be worth if we were at $1 billion market cap, ladies and gentlemen. 2.1 million. It's crazy. Now, I'm not going to say by that time, by the day 280 comes, is it going to be at $1 billion market cap? Probably not. It could be at 700 million market cap, but guess what? It's still life-changing money. And guess what? I'm not just going to bet on one maximum length, max power miner. No. I'm going to be slowly creating more and more miners. What is my plan when my first miner finishes in the 29th of this month, right? I hope, I'm so happy for that day to come close. I'm going to have 4.5k. What am I going to do with 4.5k? Right now, it costs, just to average with Ethereum fees. I really hate Ethereum fees. But to average with Ethereum fees, I'm just going to say it will cost $500 to start a maximum miner. What I'm going to do is quite simply, I'm going to take my initial out and then some profit. So I think right now with that 4.5, I'll take $563, cash it out, literally. I don't know, put it back in my bank account, buy myself a frappe from McDonald's or something. And what I'm going to do with the rest, I'll have $4,000. 4,000 divided by 500. That would literally, right, fund me for another 8 miners. What is my plan right now? That's a great question. Thank you for asking. Subscribe and like. What am I going to do with the 8 miners? This is my strategy. Okay, as I told you guys, and as the white paper, literally, guys, go read the white paper. The guy who wrote it, crazy. You have all the answers right here. You have all the strategies that you can decide to do. What am I going to do with the 8 miners from this? Is I'm going to split it to 2 sides. I'm going to do ones that are becoming short term, right, which is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, for example. And I'm going to go to the other end, right, which is the miner length, the other end of the max side. So I'm going to do 280 days, and then I'm going to minus it by 30, 250 days, okay, and then 220 days, and then 190 days. Right? I'm going to do the close 4, and then the far end 4, and I'm going to keep doing that as more miners, finish, right? Which, by the way, if your miner has reached the day where, okay, now you can actually claim it, you only have 7 days where you can start claiming or claim that, because after that 7 days, it will start another 7 days where every single day you're going to be losing 10%, 20%, 30%, and by the end of that 7 days, which is basically the 14th day, you will lose it all. This is what I love, that mechanics really works, because you'll never have dead tokens that are just hanging around in some guy's wallet. You know what I mean? Like, for example, with Bitcoin, you have so many lost wallets that just have tons and millions and probably billions worth of Bitcoin. But no, not here. None of that is getting wasted. I really like this, actually, by the way. So that's my plan. Guys, literally, this is literally my plan. With that 4.5k, 563 goes to cash out, right? I might reinvest that in Pulsechain, right? Invest it somewhere else, or just cash out as profit, right? Because it is profit, because I've spent 450 at that day. I'm gonna make 450 back with $100 extra, and now I have 4k worth. What I'm gonna do with the 4k, as I said, start those 8 maximum miners. One that will be another 30 day, 60 day, 90 day, 120 day, and then the end 280, 250, 220, 190, and then slowly I would have covered every single month in the next 280 days. And then if I have even more miners to buy, it will be bi-monthly, where I'm gonna get paid weekly, not weekly, every 2 weeks, right? My goal, ladies and gentlemen, is to get this number to be in the millions. Okay, that's literally just a life-changing amount of money. Or honestly, my goal is to just get that over 6 figures, okay? And let me relax a little bit, but you never know, ladies and gentlemen, right? You want to start your maximum length miners from now, as opposed to waiting till you're a month before that later, because that's where it'll cost more. That's where, the actual mining power is less, and that's where the T rank bonus is less. A lot of things are less. It's going to become more and more harder to create your own miners, and same thing with other stake, I'm going to assume. Guys, we have a project in our hands that is so smart, so well made. I need to interview Jake, get him, ask him all the questions that's needed. What's the brains behind this? What's his experience? What's his vision with this? You know what I mean? Really, really great stuff. And obviously, guys, with in terms of just security and stuff, there has been multiple audits from 3 different people, obviously externally audited. Really great. So you can go and check that. Obviously, just check the white paper. It tells you everything. But yeah, Hyper will be the first protocol built on top of TitanX, so that just brings more utility. Confidential for now, so no information yet. So yeah, really great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm gonna end the video there. That's my plan. It's crazy. The latest update really is that I made a new miner. Oh, this was yesterday. Oh yeah, it was yesterday. Yesterday at 12 a.m. midnight. So it feels like yesterday was actually the same day. And yeah, I started that 100 max, and I did it for a 30-day one, and look, it's gonna give me 3.8k. What am I gonna do with this? The same strategy. I'm probably gonna cash out 500, right? Cash out 500, so 3,200 minus 500 to cash out, and then now I divide that by 5, so that this will give me 4, 5. That will give me basically 5. I'll have $200 left, so maybe I'll cash out $600, right? And I'll be able to create 5 miners. Again, it will do the same thing. I'll probably do 2 short-term ones, 3 long-term ones. Okay, it's the plan. You want to keep reinvesting, but at the same time cash out your initial with some profit, like 10, 20%, 50% profit, or even 100% profit. It's really up to you, ladies and gentlemen, right? But at the end of the day, I want you guys to be, you know, disciplined investors at the end of the day. Okay, that's my whole goal of my channel. I want to document you guys through my wins and losses, no matter what they are. Okay, become a disciplined investor. Don't put your eggs in one basket. What am I trying to say? I'm also trying to say, look into staking. You know, are you investing in the actual value of TitanX? Are you just investing in the miners? Are you investing in the stake where you put it, you know, 10-year stake and you're making money from the payouts? What are you really invested in? And these are all different avenues that you can go through, and you can actually diversify by putting your eggs in different baskets, and obviously putting eggs in different baskets as in different projects, not just TitanX. But that's for another video. But this is why, honestly, I'm also, you know, kind of putting myself in a safety net by not just blinding myself through short-term gratification. I have long-term gratification. Yes, my only longest one is 100, but soon I'm gonna kick off. I just needed 1 miner to kick off. That I'll be able to get the money, get the cash, start the cash flow going, which is 30 days. You know, you can do a 15-day miner. It's really up to you, right? And yeah, guys, join my Telegram link in the description. You can join and become a member to my YouTube channel. I've actually just uploaded a video today of what whales that I know personally are buying up for the bull run. Right, I made a video. It's exclusive to members only because the amount of value in that, it would not do any justice to them to make it another free video. And I promise you guys, you as a member, first of all, yes, you'll be supporting my channel, and I really appreciate that. And number 2, you're going to be getting back that money in Intel value. Okay, simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Go, if you want to support, you can join my YouTube as a member. The DeFi Insiders, that's what it's called. That's what it's called, DeFi Insiders. I'm going to be scaling this up. I'm going to be getting actual whales to back this up, so where I can actually mention their name out loud, you know, officially. But for now, we just keep it on the low, you know what I mean? Because, you know, everyone doesn't want to be a financial advisor. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. But I'm just going to tell you guys what other whales are doing, including me. Okay, I'm not a whale. I'm a dolphin, maybe. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video there. Join my Telegram link in the description, the Farmers Community, where you meet other like-minded people, and you can say hi to me, and any of your questions, you can reach out to me directly as well on my Telegram at Cooleye, link in the description. Everything is linked in the description. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. TitanX, man. This is what I need. This is what I love. True DeFi, guys. I've been reading articles, reading more about Solidity, reading more about, I don't know, just DeFi books. This is true DeFi. You know what I mean? Sometimes you're just done with Pulsechain and shit like that. You guys seen what happened, unfortunately, with Carol, for example. You know, it's just a refreshing thing to see a product like this. This is what's needed. Innovation is what's needed for the bull run to actually be a big full-on bull run. You know what I mean? Like, we need projects like this. So thank you for everyone for tuning in. Let me know what you think of TitanX. Will it be the key to financial freedom? Will this be the reason why I no longer work a 9 to 5, where I can use this money? You know, imagine this number being 100x, 2.6 million, where I can use that money to, you know, help my family, you know, all of that, to start my businesses, to work on my business full time, basically. A lot of things, build stuff, you know, build stuff, not just a 9 to 5. This could be one of the avenues. This could be one of the reasons where you could make a life-changing money. Crypto, man, it makes working smarter possible. You don't need to work harder in this day. You don't need to work harder. You can work smarter through investments. You know, even if you're in stock, penny stocks, normal stock, blue cap, you know what I mean? You can do it all. There's different ways. Forex. Just one of my ways right now is crypto. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoy this and learned something new today about TitanX. I'll see you guys in another video, and stay tuned for any other video. Take care, guys.